morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in gold. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The price of gold has gained 2.6% in the last two sessions. Stochastic is cooling down and is now giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair has gained 0.5% in the last three sessions. The CCI is losing steam and is currently neutral. The sterling-dollar pair has traded sideways in the last session. The ROC moved sharply into the negative area. The Aussie-dollar pair has lost 0.3% in the last session. The ADX has transitioned sharply into the negative zone.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Stock markets in the Middle East, the first to trade after Joe Biden's victory in the U.S. election, are signaling bets the new president will reduce international conflict and push for peace in the region. Joe Biden's picks to head key regulatory agencies could redefine cryptocurrency policy in the coming years, although it's unclear exactly how. The new iPhone 12 Pro and its bigger Max sibling have gained a unique new feature, giving the company's stock price a boost.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The UK claimant count change will be released at 500 GMT, the UK unemployment rate at 500 GMT, the German ZEW economic sentiment at 800 GMT, the US Red Book at 1155 GMT, the US 10-year note auction at 1601 GMT, and the Australian NAB business confidence at 2230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.